Hi everyone. In this video, I want to demonstrate how to conduct pairwise causality test in how. I want to believe you've set your working directories. Now, I want to import my data set. I have my already prepared script here. I want to import data set. Let me run the code. Then transform variables. I need tidyverse. I transform my variable. Now, let me transform my variables now. Now, I've transformed my variable. To conduct pairwise causality test in Hub, we need a package called LM test. So if you're here to install that, you have to install that and load. Now, let me load the package LM test by running a code in line 6. So I just run the code, then now I'm good to go. So the function we'll be using is called Granger test. Granger test. Okay, so you can see the structure. The argument here is LNGDP, that is the dependent variable, while LMS is the independent variable. You can see. So we want to know whether LMS Granger causes LNGDP. You can see from here, you say, does LMS Granger causes LNGDP. So, and the order of lag is 2 we are using now, comma, data, what's the name of our data? TSD. So let me run that to see the result. You can see the result. We look at the F statistics, look at the p-value of this F statistics. You can see here, based on this F statistics, going by the conventional 0.05 level significance, that is 5% level significance. So these results indicate that log of money supply does not Granger cause log of nominal GDP. Okay, log of money supply does not Granger cause log of nominal GDP. That's what it. So now, what of uh uh log of money supply on log of nominal GDP using the same number of order? Does it does LNGDP Granger cause LMS? Let's check whether refer is the case. So you can also see here it's not significant, okay, showing that this log of nominal GDP does not Granger cause log of money supply, meaning that there's no causality between nominal GDP and money supply. Now, what of lending rate versus uh, this? So this one is lending rate versus uh, money supply. Money supply. This one is money supply. Money supply. Money supply. Okay. Why this the one we just run? Now, moving to lending rate versus nominal GDP. So let's say the nominal GDP. Does lending rate Granger cause does lending rate Granger cause log of nominal GDP? Does lending rate Granger cause log of nominal GDP? So let's see. Let's run that. Yes, you can see the result. Judging by the P, using p-value, you can see lending rate Granger causes nominal GDP. Okay. Now let's also run this. That is, does log of nominal GDP Granger cause lending rate? So it's also, this is not significant. So it means that we have just one way causality, okay, between lending rate and nominal GDP, okay? Although lending rate Granger causes nominal GDP, nominal GDP does not Granger cause lending rate, okay? So we also check for the last two, that is the lending rates versus money supply. Does lending Granger cause money supply? Or does money supply Granger cause lending rates? So let's see. Yes. So here, does lending rate Granger cause money supply? So the results show that lending rate does not Granger cause money supply. Let's also check. So this one, so we sorry, this one is does lending rates, this one is talking about does money supply, does lending rate Granger cause? So here we are supposed to, so this one will be L half, while this one is LM, LMS. Okay, that's those learning rate. So then I'm going to run that. Okay, so the same result. So learning rate does not grant Jacob's money supply. Now, this next one, does money supply grant Jacob's learning rate? Does money supply grant Jacob's learning rate? So let's see. So money supply does not grant Jacob's learning rate. You can see because this is not significant. Okay, thank you.